This time we stayed at another U.S. Army Corps of Engineers campground called Service, and Service Campground is located near Coffeeville, Alabama, about an hour and a half north of Mobile, Alabama, along the Tombigbee River. We love this park. We just got done talking with the attendant. They had the gate locked because the park is actually closed. We are the only people in this park that they're letting in because we made our reservation so early. So this is going to be very interesting. We're the only ones here. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
Service Park.
You gotta watch for the sign, Service Park Road, because there's no sign on the outside. Service Park is just outside of Coffeeville, Alabama, and it is very pretty in here. There's a long road to get to the gate. Since the park is closed, they're just leaving the one gate open. We got park hosts on both sides of the street. They take turns. Once you get signed in, they'll give you a tag to hang on your mirror, and they'll give you one generally to put on your post, but since we're the only ones here, they know where we live right now. So it's a long road, a long ways back here. And this campground basically has just this one road you go down and it loops in the end. That's it. Regular price is $26 a night. We pay $13 because we get half off with our lifetime senior national park pass. And once you come over this bridge, then you start getting to the campsites. And they are 30, 50 amp with water, no sewer hookup. Most of these are loops. On the right-hand side,
Pull-throughs.
Pull-throughs. Left-hand side are back ends. This side, right on the river, just on the other side of that fence. If you get down by 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, you will be able to see the river, I think, a little bit better from your campsite. You do get barges coming through at nighttime, and you may hear them. And if you don't like bright lights shining in your window, you might have that as well. Didn't bother us a bit. There is an air base nearby, because once in a while you'll hear them fly over. And once in a while they'll do like combat practices with dogfighting. Maneuvers right over this park. And then on Sundays, when the weather's good, they have some drag boats that come out. They race right down to the park and back, so you can see those too. We're hoping to catch either one of those while we're here. You'll notice that the back end seem to be kind of like the concrete's raised from the dirt around it. So they're kind of elevated. Lots of high trees. No, tall trees. And my understanding is it's hard to get service at the front of the park, but you can get service down here where we are, because they drive down here to get the phone, make a phone call.
Yeah, I got service this morning.
Yeah, I'm not having any problem. I've been using my hotspot and I haven't had any problems at all.
Yep.
But see how you can see the river from this level. So you're better off coming towards the end of the park if you want to be able to see the river. We have a huge patio area. I love Army Corps campgrounds. We are the only people in this park except for the hosts. Right on the river. Sun's going down, so it looks real pretty right now. The sites are large, you have a lot of privacy, and the view to the river is amazing. It's also a lot of fun to watch the barges come up and down the river. Dave was on a quest to have a fire in our fire pit, and he has a hard time finding dry wood, but he tries his hardest to make me a fire. I think he gets a little crazy. All the wood around here is green. So this is the best this fire's done in the last 2 hours. It's pretty pathetic, isn't it? Hey, don't make me call SkyMed.
I've got living proof that I make Karen a foot. There it is.
Yay! How long do you think that'll last?
20 minutes. Stop.
I think Dave's getting desperate for some dry wood. Dave found this dead limb out here.
I don't know how green that is. We're going to find out.
Yep. See if Zippy can do it. We put Zippy to work. Okay, that should be enough, don't you think?
Maybe one more.
One more, huh?
We're going out in the blazing glory, baby.
What you doing now, Dave?
Gathering wood. Hunter-gatherer.
Okay. Zippy pulls the waste tank. Let's see if we pull this too. Hey, maybe they'll start a fire just dragging on the concrete out back there.
Yeah. Hey, you're on fire! What? Go faster!
Look now.
Fire starter.
Oh, there you go. There we had nothing 2 seconds ago. We got it going. It only took about 3 hours. But there it is. There you go, Dave. You got it going.
The perfect cowboy fire.
Dave found a pallet in the woods. I think he's gone crazy. We are coming into Coffeeville, Alabama, which is a little tiny town. Oh, they have a dairy bar. There's like one little restaurant, we're gonna go check it out, and a little market up here for meat and produce.
Ribeye, $11.99. Not a good deal.
They do have a church and a gas station, a Dollar General, and we're a little further down from the church is the restaurant.
Yeah, this is it.
There it is, Four Gals Restaurant. Daily lunch specials, Monday through Friday. Go check it out. That's a big sandwich.
It is.
How is it?
Damn good.
Hey Dave, when we would eat to Four Gals Restaurant, what did that guy say when we got out of Zippy?
He goes, well, ain't that car cuter than a spotty dog underneath the wagon with a tick in his ear?
That was so funny. I had never heard anything like that before.
I still don't know what it means.
This is the day use area. It's just before you enter the park. Yep, parking over here, parking back here. That's where the launch is. There's a kids playing area there. You want to do the loop around here?
Yeah, I'm thinking there's got to be a boat launch here somewhere.
There is.
Oh, there's the boat launch.
We'll drive by it. There's your boat launch. Not sure where you put your boat while you're taking care of business.
Don't know.
Stop. And that's where the barges go around the bend. Pretty amazing they can bend those things. Or not bend them, but they can turn them. Still moving pretty fast too. Pretty cool. And you walk down here and check out the river. You can sit down here. They got benches throughout. Watch the barges go by.
This is trailer parking.
Plus you got parking for cars too. And then you got a bathroom up there. Nice day use area. Here comes one of the barges. We chatted with all the hosts here, and they're all super nice, very friendly, very helpful. This is Bob, his wife Gail. They are on duty today, and they're going around and checking all the boxes, make everything, all the power boxes, making sure that they're working properly, cleaning them out. That's great. Okay, there we are. We all fit into the little loop. It's a 45-foot pad, but that whole thing is almost 100 feet long. Back there are 2 campsites right on the river. Tent sites, number 15 and 16. So they have picnic table, water, electricity, fire ring. And they all have the hanging poles for your garbage. And there's their pad for the tent. Right across from them is the river. So we were told that this park will flood generally at least once a year, usually starting in the spring, but they have had flooding in December, so they closed it here in December. They won't reopen until, I think she said, March 11th. Supposedly a barge hit the embankment here, which you can see is all this riprap and wire. And because that happened, the camp host built this fence. And we were going to be, right here, hang on. We were going to be in 19 because it's long and it's right off the end of the cul-de-sac loop, so it would have been a straight back end shot. But since we had our choice and we could fit into the pull-throughs, so let's do that. We found that we can go, how long on a black tank?
2 weeks.
Almost 2 weeks at the black tank. Dave will take trips to the main bathroom, and I will once in a blue moon to the bathroom at the campground to save on our black tank. Gray tank, we try to be careful how much water we put down the sink, and that we can last for, what, about 7 days if we really try it?
Yeah.
They got a little play area for the kids here, and there are the bathrooms, showers, which have forever hot water, and this campground has good water pressure. This park has a tendency to flood, so generally they just close it down for about 3 months out of the year, just to be proactive. But since we had made reservations so early before they closed it, they went ahead and let us stay. I guess the worst flood they had, it was 10 feet deep over top of the sites here. And up front by the gatehouse, it was 5 feet in there. The bathrooms had about 5 feet in them as well. You know, it's weird being here all by ourselves, but at the same time, it's kind of cool because it's super peaceful. And it's just laid back and relaxed. The hosts are really nice, and we're really enjoying it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.